everybody, Gina, DeLuca here. All right, I'm playing some more with these primary elements because wowza, are they pretty. Today's colors I have, so this is the ColourArte primary elements, and the color is Majestic Blue, Sunburst, and Jasmine. Ooh, focus. There we go, maybe, something like that. What I have done, I've put in the polypore, just enough to cover the bottom of the cup. And I put in 1/8 of a teaspoon, one of these little thingies, of pigment into the cup. And then I mix that in. And I get that nice and incorporated. And then I add more of the polypore. I was going to use the Liquitex pouring medium in the white, but I got distracted and put the polypore in there. We'll see what happens. Alrighty, so I'm just going to do a ring pour. One of the things that I like to do when I'm testing out a new pouring medium or colors is to do a ring pour with primary colors, but usually magenta instead of red, and see what happens. Does it make cells? Does it blend? Does it keep really nice tight color separation? Those are things that I look for when I'm doing these tests, my experiments. All right, so I'm gonna actually put down my base coat first. I do like to put down a base coat. I find that it helps me keep my composition tighter. When you do a pour without a base coat, the paint that you're pouring is gonna wind up sticking to the canvas. And it's going to, the paint on the top is gonna roll across the paint that's sticking. If you lay down a base coat, the paint that you pour will slide around much easier, and it will just stretch out instead of getting distorted. I really do like the consistency of this medium. Oh, this white that I'm using is the artist Loft Flow Acrylic. All right, base coat is down. Let's put some paint in a cup. I'm using this silicone cup because I don't want to waste any of this paint if I don't have to. I have not added any water to this pouring medium. I am testing this out as is. It has a very nice thick consistency for ring pours or for being the base for a swipe. Okay, there is my paint. This will definitely be enough paint. And I'm debating whether to do a straight ring pour or a traveling ring pour. Oh, decisions. Let's do traveling. Some interesting things happen when you do that. Oh, I'll have to tilt that off. All right, some interesting things happening. How it's blending with that white, that's actually really pretty. So let's stretch this out. Oh, there's a big chunk of something, and I bet that's in my white. That darn artist loft. Okay, here it is. Check out that bling. Wow, wow. That is beautiful. I'm loving this stuff. This is just so pretty. That is some crazy sparkle, y'all. All right. Well, I hope you learned something. I sure did. Learned that my base coat was lumpy. Sometimes that Artist Loft Flow White is just a lumpy batch, and I think I got a lumpy bottle. But still beautiful. Okay. So, do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. If you find these videos useful, helpful, informational, or amusing, that is a great way to help keep me stocked up in supply so I can keep bringing you the fresh content. Also, go make some art, our group on Facebook. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions. Get some inspiration. My Amazon store, you can find links to some of these items in the Amazon store. I've been told that the polypore will be up there very soon. But you can always go to ColourArte.com to get these pigments. And what else? I feel like I'm missing something. DeLuca.net, my website. Oh yeah. Come on over there. You can purchase my art. You can purchase my music. All that good stuff. Okay, y'all, I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.